Hello, good morning and good evening, everyone. Today I'm going to cook mongoose stir fry with shrimp for dinner. First, you have to boil the mongo until it gets soft and add water and add 2 tablespoons of oil and then stir fry with a half onion. Stir it very well and add 3 cloves of fresh garlic chopped. And 1/2 tomato. Add 1 pound of shrimp. You have to stir it very well. 1 tablespoon of beef powder or shrimp powder. Then cover it. And 1/4 sliced squash, yellow squash. Add the boiled mongoose or mung beans with water, and also add the fried fish. I stir the fried fish and simmer it. Add 1 tablespoon of black pepper and you have to boil. The mung beans is already cooked, guys. And when the squash is cooked, add 1 tablespoon of salt to taste, and 1 tablespoon of fish sauce or patis. And you have to make it dry and make sure the squash is cooked. When the squash is cooked, you have to add green leaves like this. I add the KALES. If you have no KALES, you can add a water spinach or kangkong or sweet potato leaves or bok choy or pichay, cabbage, whatever you want to have, leafy vegetables. And then salt to taste. Food is ready to serve. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, leave comment, share. Thank you very much for watching. God bless.